First line, will you kindly let me know where I might obtain a copy of the book published some time ago, which embodied the results of an investigation by several scholars into the importance of physical training. Full stop. I cannot find it anywhere. Full stop. Second line, I shall catch the 3 o'clock train from town. Full stop. Will you be able to meet me at the station? Question mark. I should be unwilling to impose on your kindness, comma, and I do not know whether you will be free to meet me. Full stop. If my request is an imposition, comma, please ignore it. Full stop. Third line, while I was delighted to learn how well the scholars did in the history examination, comma, I was not greatly surprised in view of the great care with which their preparation was planned. Full stop. Fourth line, while I am quite willing to believe that this method of shipment is an improvement, comma, and that there would be an important saving, comma, I think we should wait until we have had an opportunity to tell whether it will be satisfactory. Full stop. Meanwhile, comma, I think the largest portion of our shipments should go according to the usual method. Full stop.